How to change Discord password if you forgot it on your phone. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how you can easily reset your Discord password. Open up your Discord app first, and if you're logged in and want to change your password but not sure what your old password is, first thing you're going to have to do is swipe left on your screen to go to the U section, and from here just tap on the settings icon at the top right. Once you get to the settings menu, just scroll down, and here you should be able to find the data and privacy option. From here, you can change your Discord password. If you don't find the option here, go to accounts. And here you should be able to find your email, your display name, your username, as well as your password. Click on the password option. And for that, you need to enter your current password and your new password. But the problem is we don't know our current password here. So all you need to do is make sure which email is connected to you, or there is also an option to add a phone number to add an extra layer of security for your account. Now open up any web browser and simply search for Discord. Now once you search for Discord here, just go ahead and open up the app, open up the website, and you'll find the login button at the top right corner. If you don't see it, then it's only available on the PC version. So go ahead and tap on the three lines on your Chrome and enable desktop site. Once you enable desktop site, you should be able to continue on with your login process. So you'll find the login button at the top right corner. Just tap on it and you'll be taken directly to the login page. Now, all you need to do here is click on the forgot password option. And from here, you can use save password, but you can just click on the forgot password option. For that, you need to enter your email field. So just enter the email that you had connected with your account. Click on the forgot password option. And as you can see here, an instruction to change password has been sent to your email. All you need now is to go to your Gmail. Here is the change password request from Discord. So just go ahead and click on reset password. Another window will open up on your screen. Now you're just going to have to click on the new password option, change it, and you're good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. If you found it helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.